So I made my sourdough yesterday. I folded it for an half hour. Every half hour I folded it for like 4 times. When the last half hour went by, I folded it and I put it in the tub for the night and put it in the fridge. So it's been out since 8:30 this morning. So the oven is preheating at 450, which is on convict is 25 Fahrenheit less, so we're looking at 425. The Dutch oven is in there and she's ready to bake, so let's see how we can do. The heat rising off that Dutch oven is pretty amazing there now. So we're going to score her. And I'm going to make a tree on one side, or a leaf, whatever you want to call it. I'm going to give her a nice scorch or depth crack there. Woo! Love scoring, love scoring. Gotta love scoring. Only knife up. There we go. There we go. Give her a couple cuts. Let's get looks like a big leaf, huh? So this fellow's scored. He's risen. He's ready to go in that Dutch oven and let's see how we do. Hope we do great. So she's in the oven for 20 minutes. I'll show you what it's like when she comes out. So our bread has been baking for 20 minutes with the cover on, and then take the cover off and give her another, between up to you. I goes 20 minutes second time. Sometimes I do 15. I just watch the bread. So cancel. Heat at the oven, and this is 450, so you better let some heat out. Whew, that's pretty hot. Okay, sure you got good gloves on because this thing don't give no mercy. Ooh. All right, so I'm gonna move you and let you have a look. So she's pretty good knot there. I'm gonna take the bun off. She's hot enough that she's sitting off the smoke alarm. So I'm gonna rise it up and let you have a good look at it. So there you go, folks. I scored the nice little tree into him with the limbs, and this is definitely what I call an artisan bread. I really enjoy making sourdough. So this is my 3rd bun in a couple of weeks. So when I cut this one, because everything is about the inside, I'm going to let them rest. Let them rest for a half hour now. And I'll give them a little cut and let you have a look. So from Bob and Newfoundland Gardener, if you can't get in the garden, there's no greater place to be than in the kitchen. So have a great day, everyone.